Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a small Sebenza 21 with some pretty special blade. Right here I got a spirograph blade with a touch of, this is one tortilla, dark tie, pocket clip. It's a custom pocket clip, it's gorgeous. Check out his Instagram, he's doing some amazing job. But anyways, I'm here to just give it a little bit clean up. It's gonna be probably clean, but I want to show you how it's done, like for a small Sebenza 21, old school, very, very rare. Sometimes I need to do a little bit of maintenance and try to keep everything clean. I'm just gonna push this out. No, just gonna stay there, not gonna push out anywhere, anything. I have to be extra careful with this knife, guys, because this is a pristine example of plain Jane small 21 with a Devin Thomas spirograph Damascus blade. This is something you don't find. This thing is boxed mint. It is just perfect. So I'm gonna be extremely careful here because I don't wanna mess up anything and I want to keep the description mint. So this guy, wow, very, very tight. I'm just gently wiggling the blade and see if I can, there you go, very, very gently. And also on this side, just take your time, gentle wiggle, wiggle, and look at this, pristine. A11, guys, this is first quarter of 2011, so nice. There you go. And I'm gonna grab one of these alcohol swabs right over there, like so. And gonna start cleaning the scales right over here. You see, with a little bit of grease on the back, like so. So we got some set of clean titanium on the inside. On the outside, it's not much need for that, mainly in the area around the pivot. Clearly you can see the carbidization on the lock side right there. Pretty cool. Yeah, guys, very, very simple. It's a pleasure to maintain a Sebenza because it's so easy and simple. So I'm not gonna use any alcohol on the etching because I don't want to. I'm just gonna use a little different oil in a second to clean this up. I don't wanna ruin that beautiful etching, high contrast going on. So I'm not gonna touch that. Anyways, that is that. I'm using something that I like. This guy over here, it's just like lock lubricant. It's very good. It's there you go. Something I use like just a drop, like so, and I just leave a little coat on the blades. It prevents rusting. I'm using like this, and just like, see, just like gently, exactly, just like that. So it's like a little film of oil, of, yeah. Here. So that's done. Then I'm gonna grab this guy right over here. That's the fluorinated grease from Chris Reeve. I'm gonna apply, actually no, sorry, I'm not gonna apply anything. That was a test to see if you guys were attentive. Don't do that. So you actually want to put the scales back together once they are all cleaned up, right? So check that everything is right there. You have your lanyard pin, which by the way, if it's rattling, just a little drop of oil, yeah, gonna fix the problem. And then you get the two body screws in place, and then you can start screwing them back together. I'm using this Shiro tool, which is just gorgeous, guys. You can decide the angle, 90 or 60 degrees, just gorgeous. Anyways, that doesn't need to be tightened all the way up. So just leave the scales quite loose. You know, you go all the way down and then you feel it when it's done and then just back up a little bit. So you're gonna get a little bit of rattling, like so. And check out the stop in with a little detail going on. Anyways, you are ending up with these two screws right there. You're gonna end up with the blade, with the bushing pivot. If you can just push inside of the hole, and you have two sides where you're gonna shake a little bit and then just apply a very, very thin layer, is fine, of grease, and then the actual washer, and then just a little bit to add to these holes, which are the reservoir, let's say, of the grease. Pretty clever solution, right? We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, like so. All right, and boom, then you get the small washers on the lock side, and then what? You just press so that all these three come together, like that, flush, right? Here you go, like so. Then what you're gonna do, just slide the blade inside, like so. Here you go, so you see? You have the washer, the blade, and the other washer pinched. And then just slide this gently inside, and you see, you're gonna see the hole. Then you do what? You grab that, all right, you put it in the back, and releasing the lock bar, you can gently press the Chicago screw up. And then you're gonna use this guy right over here. And I'm not gonna go all the way down, right? So all the way down and just backed up a little bit, all right? Check that everything is in place nicely, nice and tight. Okay. And at this point, I like to press this scale up and show side down, like with this kind of movement, and start from the bottom and see if we can do a little bit of favor to the lockup. Let's see. So this is all the way. Here you go. Also do a little check, yeah, on the clip as well. This side is fine. That's fine. So very nice, beautifully centered. Spread that grease around. Ooh, that is very good. Proverbial Sebenza smooth going on over here for this Devin Thomas Spirograph Damascus blade with a touch of one tortilla going on right there, guys. This is a gorgeous one. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.